In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Binance Authenticator to a new phone. Whether you're upgrading or replacing your device, this process is essential to maintain access to your account securely and seamlessly. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow to ensure a smooth transition. First, grab your old phone and open the Binance app. Once inside, navigate to the security section. It's crucial that you find the right option that allows you to manage your authenticator settings precisely. This is where it all begins. Next, tap on Binance or Google Authenticator depending on which app you've linked and select the remove option. You'll be prompted to verify your identity, which you can do via SMS or email, so make sure to have your registered contact information handy. This verification step ensures that only you can make these changes to your account. With the authenticator removed from your old phone, it's time to shift your attention to the new one. On your new device, you'll need to install either the Binance Authenticator or Google Authenticator app, whichever you prefer. Go to the App Store, download it, and get it ready for setup. Having the app set up in advance will make the following steps quicker and more efficient. Now, let's return to the Binance app on your old phone. Head back into the security section and look for the option to enable Authenticator. You'll initiate the process of setting up the app on your new phone. This is a straightforward process that guides you through what needs to be done next. A QR code will appear, which is pivotal in this setup process. With your new phone, open the Authenticator app and use the scanner feature to scan the QR code displayed on your old phone. This step links your Binance account directly to your new device. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, the Authenticator app on your new phone will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back into the Binance app on your old phone to bind the Authenticator. This binding confirms the link between your new phone and your Binance account, ensuring that your security settings are up to date, and just like that, you're done. Your new phone is now securely linked to your Binance account, and you've successfully transferred your Authenticator. This seamless transition ensures your account remains protected and accessible only to you without any hiccups. Thanks for following along and happy trading on your newly secured setup.